Yeah, we'll get to the issues in this race shortly, but let me ask you a question about what a lot of people are talking about in this county, which is the Medora Bolt race. Are you endorsing somebody in that race?
I endorse Mark Bolt.
Okay, and do you feel, have you felt any pressure from the Republican hierarchy?
Well, there have been some folks who have really questioned my decision to endorse Mark. But we worked on several issues together, and several of them are very conservative issues. And for me, I think perfection is difficult to find in any elected official. So for me, I have a great working relationship with Mark, and I don't have any reason to believe I wouldn't have a good working relationship with Mr. Medora, but he's been there for me and with me on several issues, and I like that. I
Good.
like having somebody I can just call, and actually I have no I've called him at 9 o'clock on a Friday night saying, this is happening, what do you think about it, what do you, so that's where I'm at.
Okay, thank you.